This case dun sa tax declarations accurate na naaayon dun sa mga values na nare-reflect dun sa tax declaration.
Carla, napanood na natin dati pa itong mga witnesses na itong properties na dinedescribe sa mga dokumento. Habang pinapanood mo itong mga direct examination, cross-examination ngayong araw na ito, ano yung nasa isip mo?
Sa akin po, iniisip ko na lang na at least ngayon may proof tayo na pinagbibigyan natin both sides na to do what they want to do. Na parang hindi natin sila pinipilit na magmadali or something. Kasi ayan no, isang buong araw tayong naririnig lang ng puro submarking tsaka marking. So ayan po, proof.
O yan, Carl, ikaw naman ang aming minamadali kasi babalik na tayo sa Senate Impeachment Court.
Your Honor, may I make a short manifestation?
Proceed.
The prosecution panel decided not to cross-examine this witness, Your Honor,
All right.
to abbreviate the proceedings.
All right. The chair would like to know what are the considerations stated in these deeds of sale? Paid in cash, paid in by way of manager check, or did the document describe the manner of payment? Witness?
No, sir. It is not. It cannot be.
They just stated
evident.
the amount.
Yes, sir.
of the
Only the
consideration.
amount is stated in the
The
deeds of sale.
consideration without describing the manner of payment.
Yes, Your Honor. Without describing whether the payment is in cash or in checks.
All right. Any further questions to this witness? Any further question?
For the defense, nothing more, Your Honor, please.
Prosecution? No more.
No more, Your Honor.
All right. The witness is discharged.
Mr. President.
The majority floor leader.
Mr. President,
Thank you, Your Honor.
the defense has another witness, but it seems that this will be taking up a lot of time of the court.
That is right,
A lot
Your
of
Honor.
the
May
time.
we therefore move for continuance?
We can do it tomorrow.
We object, Your Honor. Can we, just for 1 minute suspension, Your Honor? 1 minute suspension, may we ask?
All right. Trial suspended for 1 minute.
Napanood po natin na nag-move na sana itong Majority Floor Leader Tito Soto na tapusin na itong hearing dahil meron pa sana ipepresentang isa pang witness itong depensa. Pero nag-object itong lead prosecutor na si Congressman Niel Tupas. Hindi natin alam kung bakit. Nakikipag-usap siya sa ngayon kay Senator Soto tungkol dito.
Kung titingnan natin, 32 minuto makalipas ang ikalima ng hapon. At ang usapan ay 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. ang magaganap na impeachment. Subalit, mukhang matatagalan pa kung magpresenta ng bagong witness at it will exceed 7 p.m. Pero ayaw ng prosecution at hindi natin alam kung ano magiging desisyon ng korte kasi ang nag-move dito ay miyembro ng Senate Impeachment Court at hindi defense. So, ewan ko kung anong magiging desisyon nila. Ayan, nakikita natin ngayon na may mga usapan between the prosecution, defense at ng mga senator judges.
Nakapagtataka lang, Gio, kung bakit sobrang interesado itong prosecution na marinig itong testimonya nitong witness ngayon ng depensa. Ngayon na, hindi pwedeng bukas.
Siguro, hinahabol din nila yung deadline, na kung sinasabi nga ng defense that they're ready to present 7 witnesses a day. Tignan natin kung ngayon ay 1, 2, tatlong witnesses at puro mga RDs, Register of Deeds, ang mga pinipresenta nila.
So far, Gio, mga kaibigan, 3 witnesses na po ang napipresenta ng depensa ngayong araw na ito. Kapwa mga Register of Deeds po ang mga ito na tumestigo tungkol dito sa mga dokumento, sa mga iba't ibang pag-aari ng Chief Justice at ng kanyang mga anak at maging dun sa pagsasalin ng ownership mula sa ibang individual patungo dito sa mag-asawang Carla at Constantino Castillo at maging dito naman sa McKinley property na pag-aari naman ng anak ng Chief Justice na si Charina.
So may kita natin na kung kanino ba talaga ang discretion na magpatuloy at mukhang si Senate President Enrile ay game pa sa kanyang post. Yan. Tayo nagbabalik sa Senate floor.
After a consultation with the defense and the prosecution, the defense has agreed to present another witness for today.
Yes, Your Honor.
Not as long as the supposed earlier witness that was.
How long will
Yes,
this witness take?
Your Honor, it should take only a few minutes. We will try to present two witnesses who will testify briefly.
All right.
Although we were hoping to save them for another day so that the continuity of this story would be maintained. But in order to accommodate the request of the counsel for prosecution, we will present these
Proceed.
witnesses. Thank you, Your Honor. Can we have a minute to call the witness, Your Honor?
Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you.
Session suspended for a few seconds.
Sinuspindi po muli itong Paglilitis, nag-agree na itong defense team na ipresenta ang at least 2 witnesses pa daw ngayong araw na ito at sinabi naman nila na magiging maikli lamang itong pagtestigo ng kanilang mga witnesses ngayong hapon.
Siguro ay magpipresenta lang sila ukol sa mga authenticity ng mga dokumento ulit kapareho nung trending base doon sa press conference sa mga sinabi kanina ni Attorney Karen sa atin. At may mga talakayan ba sa Senate impeachment? Wala po.
Inaantabayanan pa rin natin mga kaibigan itong pagpapatuloy ng paglilitis, nakatakdapang magpresenta ng mga karagdagang witnesses itong depensa ngayong hapon. At kanina ay nag-testify nga itong third witness ngayong araw, Attorney Randy Rotaquio, ang RD ng Taguig, tumestigo patungkol sa mga dokumento sa mga property sa Taguig, itong McKinley Hill at yung condominium and parking unit sa Bellagio condominiums.
Sige, balikan natin ang ating mga guests. Simulan ko sa'yo, Carl. Carl, sa tingin mo, kaya pa ng publiko hanggang 7 o'clock?
Kakayanin. Kailangan nating, pasiguro na rin para mas mapabilis at hindi tayo aabot ng December. So, sana maganda tong mga susunod na witnesses.
Ano kaya yung, Attorney Trixie, ano kaya yung nagiging talakayan at bakit payag na ang defense nung una na itigil na today, continuance lang, at gusto pang ituloy ng prosecution itong hearing?
Posible kasi na may inaantabayanan silang witness na gusto nilang pilitin na tumestigo ngayon. And pagka ganyan, we know, for instance, before nung presenta si Mr. Vicente, that the prosecution was also intent on cross-examining him on that day at mapresenta siya on that day. So, ganun din. I assume that may ina-anticipate ang prosecution na witness that they really want to be presented today. Otherwise, they can also force, kumbaga, matapos na lahat ng mga boring, I apologize for the term, but the tedium of witnesses presenting on documents and on public matters, baka meron silang inaantabayanan na mas interesting pa na witness.
At ito na nga, pinasok ng ika-4 ng witness ng depensa ngayong araw.
Your Honor, may...
Session resume.
Thank you, Your Honor. For our next witness, may we request that Attorney Judd Roy be recognized, Your Honor.
Mr.
Attorney
Witness,
Roy,
please stand.
recognized.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this impeachment proceeding? Yes, Your Honor. So help you God.
May it please the Court. Good afternoon, Your Honors. We are presenting Mr. Benz Lim to establish the circumstances surrounding the acceptance of the columns property indicated in the SALN of the Chief Justice. The issue we wish to address with his testimony is to justify why the inclusion in the SALN is on a different date, whereas the titling of the property occurred much earlier. We offer the testimony of Mr. Benz Lim to show that there were just and valid reasons warranting the non-inclusion of the columns property in the SALN of the Chief Justice. Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Lim, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
How tall are can you please state your personal circumstances, meaning to say, what do you do, are you married, and so forth?
My name is Benz John Ignacio Lim. I'm 25 years old, single. I'm currently employed in Ayala Property Management Corporation, and as a and I was assigned as a property manager in the columns Ayala Avenue Condominium Corporation.
Thank you, Mr. Lim.
Your residence?
I live in Tondo, Manila, Your Honor.
All right.
Mr. Lim, you mentioned that you were employed by what was the company? Ayala?
Ayala Property Management Corporation, sir.
Can you tell us what is the nature of the company's business?
Ayala Property Management Corporation, sir, is a property management company which is under Ayala Land Inc. It's a subsidy of Ayala Land Inc.
Can you please tell the court in what capacity you are employed or connected with this company?
I was hired, sir, as a property manager, and I was assigned to the Columns Ayala Avenue Condominium Corporation.
All right. Now, when you say you were hired as a property manager, what do you mean? What does a property manager do?
A property manager, sir, is the one who manages the common area of the property itself.
All right. Now, you informed us that you were assigned to
The Columns Ayala Avenue Condominium
the
Corporation.
Columns
sir.
Ayala. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Is this Columns, this is a condominium? I
Yes, sir.
take it?
It is already under Condominium Corporation.
All right. It is a condominium. And is it owned by the company you represent?
No, Your Honor, it was already under the Condominium Corporation, the association itself.
Wait a minute. Anyway, you were assigned to this company, to this Columns project.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is it specifically that you do for the Columns condominium?
I am the one, sir, who manages all the common area of the property, sir.
Would I be correct in describing you as the general manager or the building administrator?
Building administrator, Your Honor.
As building administrator, Mr. Lim, what are your duties in relation to the residents of the Columns condominium?
Basically, sir, we are the one who handles the common area of the building itself. Now, we also entertain complaints from the unit owners. Yes, sir.
I understand. Now, when you receive complaints from the unit owners, what do you normally do with these complaints?
It depends on the complaint, sir. Basically, if the complaint is based on the common area, for example, for the cleanliness or any equipment of the building, we handle it.
Can you tell us, Mr. Lim, if you perform any financial functions in the discharge of your job or work as building administrator?
Objection, Your Honor. Question is leading, and the witness has already stated that his only duties are to manage the common areas and act on
May I
complaints.
answer?
Thank you, Your Honor. Yes, please, Mr. Lim. Tell us if there are any financial functions related to your work.
Actually, sir, the only financial functions is basically we are under association already. So under association, we bill condominium dues.
I'm sorry?
We bill condominium dues, sir.
You bill condominium dues?
Yes, sir.
What does that mean, Mr. Lim?
The association dues itself, sir, of the building itself.
What do you do with these association dues?
That funds, sir, are the ones who we use for the managing of the whole common areas of the building.
So, do I understand it that the association dues is a fund which you use for the upkeep? Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor, that's
All
correct.
right. Now, where is this where are these association dues kept?